Products-Amez downlight is specially catered for hospitality lighting. Visible brightness, but unnoticeable light source. 3 forms of design to create multi-functional effects. Six beam angle options to create accurate, even and beautiful lighting. Leading dark light reflector technology, 35 cutoff angle, and extraordinary glare control, all these contribute to the perfect and comfort lighting environment. Choices of haptic lens allow flexible transformation. Honeycomb option for advanced glare control. Multiple reflector finishing to satisfy different design style. Toolless installation design, just pinch and push. Suitable for ceiling thickness, 1 to 24 millimeters. Trimless downlight installation, become more efficient. The dust-proof protective film can be removed after site cleaning is done. Easy adjustment of projection angle. Unique mounting sleeve designed for easy maintenance and ceiling protection.